The Cosmos coin is the native token of the Cosmos system. This network dubs itself as Blockchain 3.0 and aims to get different blockchains linked together to make transactions quicker, cheaper, and more practical. While past performance is no indicator of future results, knowing what the coin has done in the past can be useful when it comes to making a Cosmos price prediction, so let's take a look at the foundations and the history of Atom coin. The Cosmos whitepaper outlines the developer's principles and application of the Internet of Blockchains, focusing on solving gross energy inefficiency, poor or limited performance, and immature governance mechanisms. The document states, the hub and zones of the Cosmos network communicate with each other via an inter-blockchain communication protocol, a kind of virtual UDP or TCP for blockchains. Tokens can be transferred from one zone to another securely and quickly without the need for exchange liquidity between zones. When Cosmos first came onto the open market in 2019, the price of the crypto was much less than it is now. On March 16, 2019, the coin was trading at around $7.39. That was pretty much as good as it got for the next year or two, as it then slid down in price, spending most of the latter half of 2019 between $3 and $5. Things got worse for Atom in 2020, when a combination of factors, not least the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, saw the price fall, reaching a record low of $1.13 on March 13, 2020. There was some recovery over the rest of 2020, and the coin reached a high for the year at $8.52 on August 23. That high was not to be repeated, though, and Cosmos closed the year at $6.49. In January 2021, Atom saw some growth. The previous year's high was broken on January 16 when the coin hit an intraday high of $9.51, and the $10 barrier was broken when it hit a monthly high of $10.13 on January 19, 2021. There was some pullback, but the month's closing price of $8.14 was still a little over 25% higher than where it had been at the end of December. February 2021 saw Cosmos get caught up in the overall bull market that was engulfing crypto during the first few months of the year. The $10 mark was broken again when February 5 saw an intraday high of $12.66. The growth did not stop there, with the $20 barrier broken on February 12 and a monthly high of $26.42 on February 16, 2022. There was some regression to a closing point of $17.62. This was more than double January's close. In March 2021, while the monthly high, $24.52 intraday on March 18, 2021, was lower than February's, the price stayed around and above the $20 mark, with a monthly low of $16.76 on March 25. While the month's close of $19.11 showed a comparatively modest gain month-on-month of just under 8.5%, there was still growth and sustainability. In April 2021, the coin again stayed pretty much in the $20 region, with the monthly high of $28.49 on April 15. At this stage, an Atom coin price prediction would have looked bullish and optimistic. May 2021 saw some growth, followed by decline and collapse. The coin broke the $30 mark to hit a monthly high of $32.14 on May 7, but soon went back down, and it was standing at $23.49 on May 19, 2021. Then the market fell drastically in the Great Crypto Day crash of May 19, and Atom hit a low of $9.87, a fall of more than half in a matter of hours. There was then some recovery, and it closed the day at $13.94. The rest of the month remained bleak, and Cosmos closed May at $13.99, down almost 50% month-on-month. June and July 2021 were similarly bad, with stagnation an issue for the coin's investors. June closed at $12, a loss of 14%, masking the fact that the coin had dipped below $10 at points that month. July saw it more or less rooted on the spot, closing at $12.15. In August 2021, the crypto market started to recover, and Cosmos was part of that. It broke through $20 for the first time in 3 months when it reached $20.39 on August 19, and it scored a monthly high on August 31, 2021 of $26.17 before dropping down to close the month at $22.87, a monthly rise of an encouraging and impressive 88%. September 2021 was a month where the previous period's problems were seemingly cast aside. The $30 mark fell, this time in a manner that seemed sustainable, on September 10, 2021. The crypto went above $40 on September 18, before reaching an all-time high of $44.70 on September 20. There was, inevitably, a retreat from this level, but the month's close of $36.21 was still a monthly rise of more than 58%. In October 2021, the price was consistent and encouraging, staying above the $30 mark throughout the month, with a high of $43.22 on October 26 and a closing price of $37.26, up slightly from September's close. November, though, saw some problems develop. A monthly high on November 4 was $39.22, and the price slowly declined from there, standing at around $29 on November 30 before dipping further to $21.21 on December 14, 2021, the lowest it had been since August. However, there was a substantial recovery, and the coin reached $43.61 on December 16, 2021, just $1.09 lower than its previous all-time high. The coin closed the year at $32.47. By January 17, 2022, the token met an all-time high of $44.45, but has been stuck in a bearish trend since. On March 9, 2022, there was an unsuccessful launch of the Evmos chain, which suffered from critical security vulnerabilities in the initial stages. The chain was supposed to allow for transactions between Ethereum and Cosmos, but the market did not respond well to the failed launch and Cosmos, Atom, dipped in value. However, the coin regained some momentum in the following weeks. Notably, on April 6, 2022, asset manager Grayscale Investments announced a quarterly rebalancing of its crypto funds. In diversifying its Grayscale smart contract platform X Ethereum fund, Cosmos, Atom, was added, but no other cryptos were removed from the project. The Rho upgrade, which is expected to be released in stages throughout 2022 and 2023, adds COSMWASM to the hub. This is expected to improve interchain security and ease of use for developers and users at some stage in August this year. Despite numerous on-chain developments, the prolonged bear market has kept the coin in a downtrend. The token closed out the month of May at $10.29, a substantial retreat in price. Further lows of $5.59 were recorded in mid-June. However, as the Cosmos ecosystem grows, more support can be expected for the Atom token. On June 22, DYDX, one of the most popular DXs and derivatives exchanges, announced that it will be setting up its own chain in Cosmos, as part of the DYDX version 4 update. As of August 8, 2022, and at the time of this video, the Atom token was trading at $11.78, with a market cap of around $3.38 billion, and is the 26th largest crypto by that metric. With that out of the way, what are people forecasting for the Atom coin price? It is worth keeping in mind that predictions are often wrong and, in the case of longer-term crypto forecasts, which are often made by an algorithm, they can change at any moment. Price prediction says the maximum price in 2022 should be $13.08, while a year after that it should reach an average of around $18.54. The site's forecast for 2024 is $26.93, while 12 months on from then it says it will be about $39.51. In 2026, it thinks the average price of Cosmos will be $56.31, and the following year price prediction suggests it will be around $78.70. In 2028, the average price is forecast to be $113.23 and Atom should rise to $159.78 the following year, the site suggests. Its Cosmos price prediction for 2030 sees the coin reach an average of $236.75. Gov Capital makes a Cosmos coin price prediction which suggests it should be worth about $39.46 in a year's time. The site's Cosmos price prediction for 2025 suggests it should break the $100 mark in July of that year. In 5 years' time, the site suggests, the coin could reach $236.72. Wallet Investor has a Cosmos price prediction for 2022 that suggests the coin will descend to 96 cents in 12 months' time, suggesting it is a bad long-term investment. Finally, Digital Coin Price also predicts a very bullish short-term sentiment, suggesting the coin could reach as high as $16.69 in September, representing an upswing of over 40%. In 2025, it suggests the coin could be worth an average of $23.51, and by 2030, it thinks the coin could be worth an average of $54.70.